Hi guys, want to go over identifying some trees with you guys today. So what you want to do is pull up your guide for the most common trees in Pennsylvania. I went out in my yard this morning and grabbed get it up close here, two different branches from trees, and I'm going to try and help you identify them. So the first one here, when you look at the first one, we get on through, they are definitely wide and flat leaves. So we're going to go, that's the second option. Are they opposite or alternate? You can see here, opposite there, opposite there. So we have the opposite arrangement, and we are going to go down from 9 through 16. Now, are they simple or, oops, are they simple or compound? The fact that they are simple, there's just one leaf per stem here. So that means we're going to go 9 through 14. So let's go look at 9 through 14 and see which ones match up here. Starting with number 9, the flowering dogwood, definitely not the leaf shape that we're looking at here. 10, the red maple. If you look, they look just like the red maple. The leaves are opposite simple. 3 to 5 shallow lobes. We have 3 lobes here. Coarse toothed. You can see the tooths on the edges of these here. Turning brilliant red or orange in the autumn. This is early in the spring. They're coming out. Right? They're going to turn green. You can see they're starting to turn green already. But that first one is going to be the red maple. Okay. The second one that I found here is a flowering tree that we have. So we want to go back up to where we got started. Are we alternate? First of all, again, they are wide, flat leaves. Definitely, they are not needle-shaped or linear. They are alternate in a range. You can see the branches alternate the back and forth from side to side. There are no opposite branches there. They want to say, are they simple or compound? So we have quite a few here. We're going to go from 17 the whole way down to 49 is where we're going to start at here. Now, there we go. So as we get on through, we're looking at what tree. I'm sorry, we forgot to say simple or compound here. Again, simple leaves, you can see, like 1 leaf per stem. So that narrows it down somewhere between 17 and 49. And this one's a little bit tougher because the leaves don't tell us a lot about this. We're going to start right with the cucumber magnolia. No. The black gum. No. When we get to the red bud, you can see here, ours aren't quite as heart-shaped as those ones are. This is actually an eastern red bud. It's a little bit more specific, but they are toothed. You can see the tooths on the leaves. We have a rose-colored fruit pod. The flowers, right, come out in the spring, and they're rose-colored. Numerous small lentils here. You can see them starting to form on the sides of there. And the fruits we have the flattened brown seeds. And you can even go look at the bark if that bark's going to help you out. So essentially, guys, this is just to give you a guide. I don't expect you to be tree experts. Do the best you can. Going down through and with your reasoning. Again, take a picture of your tree and then just tell me, what it is, why you determined that it is that type of tree. I'm not a tree expert myself, so I'm not going to be really picky on this. It's just kind of an exercise to get you outside and give you a skill of identifying trees, especially as they are starting to bloom this time of year. So if you have questions, shoot me and email. I'll be glad to answer them. Remember, this is due on Friday, so there will be a warm-up question today. Make sure you answer the warm-up question today. Make sure you answer the warm-up question tomorrow as well. But this assignment, I'm giving you a few days to work on that, and it's going to be due on Friday.